Hi everyone, it's Lynn. Welcome to my crafty corner, and today I'm taking part in the final one for this three-month period of the challenge Everything Birds and Butterflies, who is by Jayne, who is the Crafting Shed Davis. Right, so I'm using some purple cardstock, and I've got this paper. It's from a paper pad that I got, oh god, years ago. I've had it a long time, and this has got birds and butterflies on it, and this is from the same pack, so it's coordinating. And I picked out the purple cardstock because there's purple in the birds and the butterflies, and some of the butterflies. I've cut out a Celebrate from some dies that I got from Positively Papercraft. That's over there. I've cut out a little bird from some dies I've got, and a couple of butterflies. So I should have got some embellishments out, but doesn't matter. So first of all, I have cut a card base, which is, and I've written it all down in my book. Okay, so it is 5 3/4 by 4, or 14.5 by 10 centimeters. These panels and the paper, the single-sided, this is 5.5 by 2.5, or 14 by 6.4. 5.5 again by 1 inch, so that's 14 by 2.5 centimeters. This square mat is 3 1/4 by 3 1/4, or 8.3 by 8.3, or 8.8 if you want to do it, round it up. And this is 3 by 3, or 7.6, 7.5 by 7.5 centimeters. It's up to you. So let's just do some matting and put that over there. Don't lose my birds. We'll just glue these two on. Right. I can't remember where I got this paper pad from. It's that old. I got it a long time ago. Better. I don't know why it made any difference turning it over, but it seems to have done. That's that one on there, and we'll pop this on. Turn it round. Go away, you lot. I'll keep using those. Think it's level. And we'll get this. You could make this smaller if you wanted. It was just me. I decided to do it like this size, 3 by 3. I wanted to be able to see the birds and the butterflies in that paper. And I'm going to pop that there. I'm going to have the Celebrate down there, and I'm going to have a bird and a butterfly. I should have cut this out with the sticky tape stuff behind it, but I didn't. So I shall stick this on now, I think. Well, I'm getting the little bits out. There you come. Right, that's ready to go on there. It's bent a little bit, but it means it's fine. I'm going to glue this down. About there. Right, now let's glue. Put some dot bit of glue. Dot, dot, dot. A little bit on there because it's going to be cut off. Let's try and put it somewhere in the middle. Oh, that's all right. That's just right, that size. I should maybe cut it out in white as well and done a white behind it. But it's too late now because it's glued down. You can see it, so that's all right. Now let's have a look. I know I want the bird. The birdie wordy can go up there or on there, like that. Up there. I don't know. Maybe we'll have the bird, maybe we won't. Maybe we'll just have a flutterby instead. I'll put the flutterby up there. And maybe the bird down there. Unless I cut another butterfly and have two. Now I'm going to put that butterfly just up in that corner. Just glue the middle. And then bend up the wings a wee bit. There we go. And I didn't get any out. Bear with me while I just get some bling. Some blingy bling bling. Bling bling. I could have put my wooden ones on, couldn't I? My wooden flutterbys. Let's have a look. You can hear me rustling. That could have gone there. Could have coloured it in purple. Doesn't it matter now, I've got that there. Let's have a look. I've got some teeny tiny silver ones. Have I got any teeny tiny purple ones? I've got purple. Don't come falling out now. Let's take some. Because I want to put some purple ones, I think, down the middle of the butterfly. If I've got any little purple ones. I've got little gold ones. Oh, I've got some little Aurora Borealis ones. I thought I had some small purple. Why didn't I get these out to start with? Because I'm a silly Billy. We all know that. Winnie Lynn. Oh! Oh! Oh, hang on, I haven't put it on the card base. Purple, I knew I had some somewhere. Let me put this on the card base. And then what am I doing for time? Oh, not bad. A little bit that way. There we go. Yeah, I don't want to ruin that paper. I don't want to cover it all up. So, oh look, I got purple tweezers. I'm not going to use them. I'm going to use my pokey tool as one of my hairs stuck on there. Oh, that's clever. Get off. Oh, it's just curled up. As long as it doesn't go on the butterfly. Come on. Where did you go? Okay. Try again. There, bit of bling there. Where did I put my auroras? Should I put 2 auroras on there for like these antennae? No, I think I'll leave that, but I might put some bling on the rest of it. See if I can find some more purple in here. Every colour under the sun. That's not really, that's blue. I bet we haven't got any bigger purple ones. Wait a minute. They're a purple. They're nicer. Okay. What about pearls? Oh, I know where I've got some more purple. I have to find that little thing. Like stuck on my slippers or something. Probably. Knowing my luck. I've got these bigger ones. Dark and light purple. Which are all coming off, which is nice. I'm going to put my pokey tool. We use that white coloured one. If it will come off. Flipping it. Oh, that's just ripped those. I'll put one down there. Down there. I'm going to have to do something with these. Sort them out because they're all sticking inside the plastic thing. They're all coming off and sticking on that and then I can't get it back in. Aha. It's going. What a waste of time. This is, you don't want to be watching me putting that in there. There, it's in. But that's the card for today for the Birds and Butterflies. Everything Birds and Butterflies by Jayne, who is the Crafting Shed Davis. So thank you very much for watching. If you like what I've done and you like what you see, please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the notification bell after you've subscribed, so that you know when I'm next coming on with another project. So take care of yourself and your loved ones, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Birds and butterflies.